I'm just gonna ask you a couple questions. It's my brother-in-law, Walter. Look at him, handsome devil. Look at him, so smooth. Go on.
Trying to warm me up before I spike your car.
So, have you enjoyed the cruise so far?
Thus far, how can I not? This company, yes, it's been good.
What's been your favorite part? Hey, lady who doesn't want to talk.
I guess visiting the ports and the entertainment.
Which island did you like the best?
At this point, I would say St. Thomas.
St. Thomas.
St. Thomas had a chance to tour it, and I also enjoyed the Bahamas. Nassau, Bahamas. Enjoyed the tour guide, very instructive, very knowledgeable about the area, the island. It was a personalized tour, and we saw places that we wouldn't have seen with a bigger company.
So, other than not going to our original ports, what's been your least favorite thing?
Time on the boat. I enjoyed too much time on the boat. I enjoyed disembarking, getting to visit and see some of the towns, meet people, experience the culture.
Okay. So anything you want to leave? Anything you want to say?
It's been a blessing. Good to be here with family and get some downtime.
Okay. That's why I said she don't want to be family.